How to fix syncing issues in Mint. First of all, make sure your internet connection is stable, as Mint needs a live connection to sync your financial data. If your internet is slow or unstable, it can prevent Mint from syncing your data properly. Next, check if Mint is experiencing any service issues. You can visit their official website to see if there's a known outage affecting syncing. After that, log out of your Mint account and log back in. This simple step can refresh your session and trigger a new sync attempt. If that doesn't work, go to the settings section in your Mint account, then click Accounts and select the one that isn't syncing. Click Edit Login and re-enter your credentials. Sometimes your bank might update its login requirements and Mint needs those new details to connect. Another step you can try is removing and re-adding the affected account. This can help clear any bugs causing the issue, but keep in mind, doing this may cause some past data to disappear, so use this as a last resort. Also check if your bank account requires multi-factor authentication. If it does, Mint may need you to verify your identity through a code or question before it can sync properly. Look for any pop-ups or alerts after logging in. Lastly, update your browser or switch to another one like Chrome or Firefox. Mint performs best on updated, supported browsers, and outdated ones can block syncing processes. And that's it, now you know how to fix syncing issues in Mint. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more tech tips. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.